Had enough of the Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot Plugins DLL error blocking your game engine? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a repair to get your game files running again. Before we get into the technical process for Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot plugins, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot plugins, the core plugin interface library for the VPilot client used on the Vatsim flight simulation network. It manages the localized data link between the flight simulator and pilot communication add-ons. If missing, users will experience voice-comm failures or report that no plugins were loaded. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. If Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot Plugins DLL is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot plugins file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot Plugins DLL in your System32 folder. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. A maintenance path for Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot plugins and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. Thank you for trusting us with Ross Carlson VATSIM VPilot plugins repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.